Guys, take a second. This is Ron Resavy, one of my mentors, senior exec at Bill Trust. Today's success, where we are, this guy guided me a lot when I didn't know anything. So
Very kind.
thank you, Ron.
Very kind. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you so much for.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, thanks for everything over here. As George said, this is because our part of success is because of you.
That's partnership.
Many hours of good mentorship and guidance.
Very snazzy dress for
Really appreciate and thank you so much for bringing us.
Sure.
Stay very much sure. I mean, we are a lot from God, but then so every single one of your audience.
I'm humbled that it.
Data, he's actually DocuSign. It's kind of mixture, admin, data, and we also have two of remote employees. So we have a Zoom device where all the remote employees log in. They can also see the office anytime. And